Alright, so we just welded right here without using MIG mist, and it left a big old dinghy right in the metal. Gonna have to clean that off, which sucks. And now we're gonna weld down here, but we're gonna be using the Blue Demon MIG mist we got sent out just a couple weeks ago that I've forgotten to use like 20 times. But now we're finally using it. So we'll see what happens. It's said to basically just put a light coat. So give it a little pump. Oh, there we go. Put it around a little bit. So you can see the surface is pretty clean. Should work good. And I'm guessing it would work like on the surface, like your welding table, so you don't have to clean it off too. Yep. So that literally led to nothing. As you can see, there's a tiny BB, probably just resting there, honestly. And yeah, literally nothing sticks. Just a light layer. And it's good. Whereas before, let's see, we're gonna have to clean that one off. I mean, they usually come off, but if you weld it before, you know, sometimes these things are just stuck. Yeah, it's beautiful. Ready to clean it and paint it.